Risk is the single biggest hurdle faced by traders no matter your market of choice. Unsurprisingly, managing this risk is a vital part of any successful trader's operation. Autochartist's risk calculator helps you understand and manage your trade liability by generating risk-adjusted position sizes for your trades. Let's take a closer look at some of the most significant pain points traders face when managing their risk. Firstly, the value of a pip is different for every instrument you trade. So, for example, a 10-pip stop loss on one instrument is different from a 10-pip stop loss on another. This inconsistency makes it difficult to calculate and manage their exposure across their open positions. Secondly, time intervals have a significant impact on your level of exposure. When trading over longer time intervals, you are typically required to set stop losses further away from their opening price, resulting in greater trade risk. The Autochartist risk calculator features a dynamic volume calculator, automatically recommending the volume you should enter for that specific trade depending on your chosen parameters. Let's take a closer look at how to use the Autochartist risk calculator. To get started, drag the risk calculator onto your chosen chart. You will notice two components of this indicator that appear on the chart: the risk control panel and the orange stop loss level. The first step is to set up your stop loss level. You can adjust this by moving the orange line up and down or typing your stop loss value into the box on the control panel. If you choose a position above the current selling price, the indicator will assume you are taking a short position. On the other hand, if you select a level below the current selling price, the indicator will conclude that you are looking to take a long position. Once you have established your stop loss level, you will need to decide how much of your capital you are willing to risk on this trade. This can either be entered as a dollar amount or as a percentage of your equity. By now, you will notice that as you make changes to the components in your indicator, the volume value in green will change. This is the position size that the calculator suggests you enter into your trade ticket. When trading with pending orders such as stops or limits, you will need to set a custom entry price by checking the relevant box. Doing so will generate the green line, which you can move up and down to set your entry level. Next, do the same with the orange line to specify your desired stop level. Once again, every change will reflect in the green volume value. The Autochartist risk calculator gives you the confidence to trade across different assets and time intervals, knowing that you won't lose more money than expected. But do keep in mind that the Autochartist risk calculator cannot predict losses due to slippage that may occur during extremely volatile market conditions.